Okay, I'll just show the key, okay?
Okay. It looks like it should be.
So just plug it over there.
I may be wrong, okay? If I do something wrong, just let me know.
4 minus 4. 1 over 4.
So answer for question 11 is 4.
-4.
Do you get that? This one correct?
Yeah.
Okay. And then 13, like we have talked about.
Plus 4. Yes.
Okay. X minus 5 goes to 0. X minus 2 goes to 3. This goes to 2. So 3 times 2 goes to 6. 6 over 0 does not exist. Everybody, are we on the same page? Question 13. Question 15. Factor. How do we factor the bottom? Can anyone tell me?
Multiply the leading coefficient against the aft coefficient, and you can then work from there, and you end up with t 2t squared plus t as well as t plus 3.
Yeah, t plus 3 and 2t plus 1, right?
Yes.
Am I right? Okay. Okay, so because t approaches -3, t cannot be -3, so this canceled. And then when t goes to -3, it will not make the denominator equal 0. And then it will make the denominator equals, what's 2 times -3? -6 plus 1. And -3 minus 3, -1. 6. 6 over 5. Did you get the same answer?
Yes.
Okay, good. 18 and 19. These two look similar, but they're different, okay? So 2 plus h cubed. How can we simplify 2 plus h to the cube? Either you can memorize a formula or you do a pair and then, do 2 plus h times by 2 plus h, and then once you're done for the FOIL, you multiply by another 2 plus h. Or if you know the formula, I know the formula. A plus b to the cube gives us a to the cube plus 3 times a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b to the cube. So you can practice by yourself after class. If you do a plus b times a plus b times a plus b 3 times. You do these two at first, the FOIL, then you multiply this a plus b, you should get this, okay? A to the cube plus 3a squared b plus p squared plus b cubed. Okay, I'm going to use a formula, but if you cannot memorize the formula, that's fine. Just FOIL this 2 plus h 3 times, okay? So a is 2, a to the cube plus 3 times 2 squared times b plus 3 times a times b squared plus h to the cube, okay? And then minus what? Minus 8 and divide by h. Okay, I believe most of you guys had already tried this. H approaches 0. Let's see. 2 to the cube, 8 is gone. We have, what is this? 4 times 3, 12h plus 6h squared plus h to the cube divided by 1, h. Every term has an h. We can factor 1h out from the top and then divide by this h. So eventually we should have an h approaches 0, 12 plus 6h plus h squared. So when h approaches 0, answer is 12. Yay! Do you got it?
Yeah.
Everyone? Okay. Yeah, this is just tedious. You have to FOIL 3 times. Okay, FOIL a lot of times. Okay, the last question, 19. X approaches 92. According to the formula, on the bottom, minus a times b, 2x plus b squared, which is 4, right? So when x approaches negative 2, x cannot be negative 2, cannot equals negative 2, so that cancels. And then when x approaches negative 2, okay, it will not make the denominator equal 0, right? So what do you have on your denominator eventually? When x equals negative 2, negative 2 times negative 2, positive 4, plus positive 4, and plus positive 4. So eventually we get a 12. So answer is 1/12. Everybody? Feel comfortable about all of these practice questions?
Yes.
So these are the questions I will review list for your exam 1. Okay? Okay,